Hi students, I'm your Komali ma'am. I'm going to start new batch for class 12 organic chemistry. In this video, I'm going to give you course details. Before going to start the course details, let me tell you what's the course I completed. My first online class I started from June 1st to up to the end of up to October 15th. I handled batch 1. In batch 1 I completed class 12 syllabus, complete class 12 syllabus. It is a full course from basic of a chapter to depth of the chapter. And once I completed that, I announced batch 2. Batch 2 I started from October 16th onwards. Actually it ends March ending, up to March ending it will be there. It is an ongoing course. In this batch I'm handling class 11 syllabus. Along with the class 11 syllabus, class 12 NCERT also I'm going to teach. As of now, part 1 textbook is completed. From day after tomorrow, I'm going to teach almost 1 week all the basics of organic, in the sense like naming part I'm going to discuss. Once it completes, immediately I start class 12 NCERT syllabus. Class 12 NCERT from January 2nd to up to the end of Jan 3rd week. I'm discussing NCERT class 12 syllabus. One day, one chapter, entire chapter, tricks and tips, a summary of NCERT. I'm only NCERT part I'm going to discuss. And one day class and immediately exam. Class exam, that is a revision for repeaters, re-repeaters, and NEET who are preparing for NEET, for those students. And my plan is up to the end of Jan 3rd week it will be there, and Jan 4th week onwards up to the end of March 1st week. Listen carefully from Jan, because personally I can't tell you all these course details. That's why I'm making this video. From Jan 4th week to March 1st week, organic class 11 I'm going to teach, and March 2nd week to end of March I'm going to teach inorganic chemistry of a class 11. So by March ending, course will be completed. From April 1st onwards up to the end of May, 2 months I am going to launch this one crash course for the students who are going to write NEET 2021. That is the plan. But what happened is I am getting a messages continuously from the students who are there in this batch to start an organic class 12 chemistry full course. In this batch also I'm discussing, but that is NCERT level and that is a revision series. But these students are requesting me to start a new batch that is for class 12 organic full course. First I was neglected, but I'm getting keep on messages. Recently I conducted the polling. So majority of the students and their parents are, they messaged me, and polling result also, majority polling are like, they want me to start organic class 12. So I'm going to start a organic class 12. So what are the timings for that batch? Current batch timing is morning 6 to 7:30. It is a live, and evening 6 to 7:30 is a recorded. Are you following? Morning 6 to 7:30 live, evening 6 to 7:30 recorded. Any one batch student can attend, and this is ongoing batch. So the batch which I am going to start, new batch, that is class 12 organic chemistry full course, that is timings is 8 to 9:30, because morning batch 6 to 7:30 it will be over. Then I'm going to start the next batch 8 to 9:30. That is a live following. And evening, morning is a live. And those who cannot join a live class, you can attend the another recorded session 8 to 9:30, night 8 to 9:30. Any one batch you have to take. And fees for this is batch, new batch I'm going to start. For that, fees is 4,000 you have to pay. Entire duration of the course is 45 days. Okay, from January 4th week to first week of March, and days are Tuesday to Saturday. Tuesday to Saturday. Sunday and Monday are holidays. You may have exam either in a weekday or a weekend time, any day you may be having exam. So plan accordingly. You will get a teaching schedule. In the teaching schedule, it will be clearly given which day, which topic I am going to teach you. Every 15 days once you will get the schedule. You can check that schedule exam when you are going to write. And actually many of the students feel organic chemistry tough because they study only NCERT. Whenever they study NCERT, they don't know why that particular reaction is taking place. They really need a guide further to explain, and they really need a mentor for that, why it is happening. Then they waste a lot of time by searching here, there and there, but lots of confusion will be there. But in this session, time also will be wasted. But in this 45 days duration, almost apart from Saturday, Sunday and Monday, you are going to purely spend 32 days. In this 32 days, that's Monday you may have exam, or any weekday you may have exam. So in these days, you will understand why these many days I felt this particular concept difficult. In such a way, every concept you will get in complete clarity. When you are studying first I teach one topic of organic, then immediately I'll give you an exercise. So you have to do an exercise in a live itself, and so that you will get the full clarity. By the end of this course, you will be very happy, because within a short duration, you are going to learn many concepts. When you see in NCERT, only 4 chapters of organic will be there. Only 4 chapters are there, but when you are studying in this course, you are going to study lots of stuff. Under each chapter, you are going to study lots of content, and even JEE students also can enroll in this course, because organic I am going to teach you in depth, because it helps the students to solve different kinds of models. So JEE students also, this is an best time and best choice. Who and all missed my previous batches, this is an waiting for this opportunity, right? So this is the right time. You can start applying. To get an immediate response, first student need to send 10th standard mark sheet and photocopy. And if you are a repeater or a re-repeater, please send your NEET result copy of 2020. Then you ask further conversation. Then only you get an immediate reply. If you start a question that this and all, it may take time for you, but to get a response, you have to send your 10 mark sheet and photocopy. Give your recent passport size photo, which should match your certificate what you are providing. And because in a live class, you have to on your camera. If camera is in off, you will be removed from a class. So whatever the photo you are giving, it should match with the whatever you are there in the live. That's why better to give your recent photocopy. And this course, who and all has to apply is the students who are going to write NEET, as well as the JEE aspirants also can apply for this course. Only students has to apply for this course. And make sure to send all your details to the number I'll give you in a description, or I'll pin in the comment section. Go through the number. To that number you message. Maybe phone call I cannot receive. You, if anything emergency, WhatsApp call you can make. If it is not received, you send your details as a WhatsApp message. I'm ready to teach you. If you miss before batches, this is the right time. Are you ready to be in my class? You can apply for this course. I'm sure you never regret for your decision. Thank you so much. See you in my class.